Welcome back, everyone. Eric, for some of us here on the peninsula, it was a really nice day today, and then for others, really got hit hard by some of those storms.
Heavy rain, lots of lightning.
You were on air for a tornado warning.
Yeah, it doesn't look like we had confirmation of a tornado, but we had some hail well over an inch in diameter. In fact, Millsboro, you saw earlier, 2 inches nearly in diameter.
They got really beat up over there.
But it was localized. It was mainly southern Sussex County, northern Worcester County, but we got more storms on the way, and some of these could be feisty. We'll take a look at that right now. And this is a lot of activity and basically what the National Weather Service has done is they basically plastered a severe thunderstorm warning pretty much everywhere ahead of this line. What they're mentioning is that there's a potential for wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour and hail over an inch in diameter. So for the next couple hours, it's probably going to be a bumpy ride. So just hang in there. We'll get through this with the next couple of hours, and this should be pushing on out. So heavy rain, lots of lightning, damaging wind gusts is going to be the main threat with that potential for large hail. And you see how in the velocity signature where we get these brighter greens, that's indicating that there's likely some very strong straight line winds with this, and that is going to be a big threat, I think, with this complex that pushes through the peninsula. We'll maybe have to watch for a few embedded circulations. It would not be impossible to see a brief spin-up tornado, so we're definitely going to keep our eyes peeled over the next couple of hours. So the rain is getting close to Cambridge right now. Looks fairly calm right now over there, but of course, the further east you go, it's quiet, just cloudy, and buckle up because you're going to get some severe storms here. I'd say within the next hour or two here at Ocean Pines on the Ocean Downs Casino Sky Camp. So where it's rained, we've seen that rain cooled air. It's very humid ahead of this line of storms, so that's providing a lot of instability for these storms to just breathe and thrive. We got weather watcher temperatures, 76 with Bob and Smyrna, 76 with Nina and Santon, Delaware, 76 with Connie and Greenwood, 78 degrees with Deb and Bridgeville, 73 degrees with Kim and Milton. A little bit cooler with Chucky and Lewis, 70 degrees. Ted and Millsboro, 71 degrees, 76 with Joe and Bishopville. Same thing with Curtis, Mary, and Ocean Pines. Look how warm it is by Pocomoke City with Bob, 84 degrees. So we have that risk for severe storms for tonight. Just keep your eyes peeled. There could be even more storms afterwards after midnight as well. So here's the current situation. We'll deal with this for the next couple of hours. That pushes on out here, and then we'll get a little bit of a break, but there could be some more storms well after midnight. These could be a bit strong as well, so it could get a bit loud as you're sleeping tonight, maybe a bit of a wake-up call. But then this should be the last, I think, of the potent storms because this pushes on out here. We'll start the day with clouds on Saturday, give way to mostly sunny skies, and the severe threat for Saturday really has lowered. I think most of the day is going to be dry during the afternoon, mostly sunny skies. There could be a pop-up shower, maybe a rogue thunderstorm, but I wouldn't be too concerned about that. But we'll certainly keep an eye on it. One of those storms, if they develop, could be a bit on the stronger side. So we'll keep an eye on it. But I think Saturday is going to be a lot better, I think, than what we'll be seeing today. And Sunday is going to turn out to be a beautiful day with much lower humidity values. So it's going to be warm and muggy for tonight with periods of showers and some loud to potentially strong thunderstorms. So just keep an eye on that. Sky will be mostly cloudy. Tomorrow will be another warm and humid day. But I don't think the threat for any storms is going to be as high. So we'll keep the threat for an isolated shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon. Because the potential is there, but I don't think it's an especially high chance. And then look at Sunday, 79 degrees, much lower humidity. You're going to notice that. A lot more sunshine by Sunday into Monday. And Tuesday's looking great as well, but you'll notice thickening clouds will introduce another chance for showers. Now looking like a severe weather setup. Thankfully, we'll get the cool, stable air, but it's going to be unsettled with a lot of clouds. It looks like some showers around, maybe lingering into at least a chunk of Friday. We'll watch it, Han.